to my vlog. Tagal na rin tayo hindi nakapag-vlog guys. So today's video ay mag-garden tayo. So aalis tayo guys, punta tayo sa sa market. Pero before that guys, punta muna tayo sa ating garden. Garden pala ni Babo. Pakita natin guys yung mga tanim niya kasi magwi-winter na po dito sa Kuwait. Babo, wait. Babo, I want to show your watermelon. Can I touch?
No, don't touch.
Why? Come.
Yeah,
Say hi, Hussein. Ayan guys, yung bagong driver. Ayan, Kenzo. Hi, Kenzo. Long time no see, Kenzo. Ayan, may patola siyang tanim. Ayun. Pag winter, saka lang siya nakakatanim ng bougainvillea. Ayan po mga mga sili. At meron din siyang malunggay. Yan. Ayan, may talong din dito guys. Kamatis. Ayan po yung highway. Kenzo! Kenzo! So, tignan natin yung watermelon. Watermelon ni Kuya Babo. Maraming bunga. Wow. Meron din okra doon. Yun. Ha? Three, four, 5, 6.
Yeah, 6 there.
6? There is one more there?
A small one.
Where?
6 big.
Ayan guys, meron ding patole. And then may okra din doon. Ayan. So, yan siya. Masipag mamunga. Masipag magtanim. So, tara na mamalengke. Ayan si Kenzo. Kenzo, long time no si Kenzo. I'm missing you. Kenzo, you did popo there? Kenzo, where is Ona? Come, Babo. Ayan, yung mga tanim niya, nilabas niya na sa lunggaga. Say hi, Babu.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, people. Good morning, beautiful people. Ayan yung sunrise, guys. Morning.
Money dust.
Huh?
You know this now cleaning.
Yeah.
The house work. JCB.
Yeah.
It is calling me. I give this 15 KD. He's asking, I help you, you give me. Okay, I give you.
Why you give only half KD?
Basta, tell him what's up, KD, give me. Come inside.
What I do, my mind's not working because I was sick. You know? Busy mind. So, ayan guys, yung papunta papunta sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. Ayan. In the morning pa lang, kaya masyadong matraffic pa lang, school days and working days. Ayan. Ewan ko anong oras kami makakarating sa pupuntahan namin. Yan guys. Pero sa kabila hindi po siya traffic. This way only. Mga tao papunta sa work. Mga kids papunta sa school. And guys. Ha? Yeah. The other side all the car is
Other
going. Yeah.
No, this exit. This.
Exit. Yan. See, Babo, if it's winter, all the trees green.
Yeah.
All the surrounding green, see? If summer, all die. Even people die. Dying. Ayan, napakahaba yung traffic dito. Hanggang doon. Sa dulo ng walang hanggan.
Camera, this 2 kilometer, 1 kilometer, this. Only this camera fast. You go fast,
Yeah.
camera. You don't have seat belt, camera.
Ayan guys, nawala na yung traffic. Diretso na yung takbo. I-relax muna natin yung sarili natin.